37 days looks like this, transitioning still taking place. The plant has grown larger, leaves broader, and roots firmer. The pumpkin plant is in support and spreading stage. The main focus today is on the vines, and here is what we have. Take a look. This is the plant's main highway system, thick, firm, and strong. It's called the main vine, originating from the center of the plant. Any other vine must come from this main vine. It moves water, nutrients, and energy across the plant. It also determines future flowering and fruiting. The tendrils around it acts as stabilizer, making sure the plant is protected from strong wind, movement, and remains grounded. This main vine is almost touching the ground as it takes different directions with support of the tendrils.